Welcome back to another episode of Mass Bassin. Today we have a small unboxing from MAGS Lure Company. You guys know, if you watched my Bass Pro Shops unboxing and then I made a review about their jigs, I really like these jigs, so had to get some more. So let's get into it. If you haven't seen my other video, MAGS Lures is a company out in New Hampshire, make environmentally friendly stuff. Can't talk today. Don't use lead heads. It's made of pewter. I'll have a full review of their swim jigs and football jigs, which is what I got here, in a couple days. So we'll start off with what I got. These are the swim jigs. We have 1/4 ounce. This color's dirty. We have 3/8 ounce. This is Magic Egg. It's kind of like a sunfish type pattern. A little bit of chartreuse with the blue head. And then another 3/8 ounce. This color is TKO. It's like your standard black and blue color. So those are the swim jigs. Now the football jigs, which these I really like. Got 2 3/8 ounce and 1 1/2 ounce. So 3/8 ounce, this is TKO. So it's again that black and blue. Another 3/8 ounce. This color is dirty. And then this color is really cool. I like this color. When I saw it online, it's called Electric. It's a black head. It looks like a little bit of gold flake. And then it has chartreuse, black, and brown skirt material. So I'll open up the swim jigs so you can see those first. This is the TKO. I really like these skirts. They flare a lot. And the weed guard, it's not too stiff, but it's not too soft. They're perfect. This next color, Magic Egg. Also in 3/8. Now that I've taken it out of the package, it also has a little bit of orange there, like the belly of a bluegill. And then finally, we have the 1/4 ounce, and this is dirty. It's almost like a golden shiner, maybe even like a perch imitation, or a craw. That'd be a really good crawfish imitator. So then the football jigs. First, this is 1/2 ounce Electric. You can see a little bit of gold in the head there. The chartreuse really stands out. The brown, it's got like a brown skirt with green and looks like black fleck in there. A little bit of black on the bottom. Next one, this is 3/8 ounce. I would have got all 1/2 ounce, but I want to fish some beds this year during the spawn with the jig, that football jig. Dry fish solid rocks, and I didn't want to fish 1/2 ounce football jig. That's what I'll usually throw. This color is really cool. See, perfect crawfish. Like lighter on the bottom. That head too. That focus. Don't think it will. And then TKO in 3/8 ounce. Got the black head with the blue fleck on there. Just your typical black and blue, but I like these skirts. They're Star Flash round skirts, silicone skirts. They just are really, really nice in the water. So, thanks for watching. I'll have a review of the swim jigs and the football jigs soon, and then I'll have fishing videos with them once we get out on the water. The snow's finally starting to melt. So make sure to subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and thanks for watching.